Okay, for a simple omelette with 2 eggs, a splash of milk, a jug, and some paprika, onion, salt, and some hard cheese grated. Makes a lovely omelette and a simple omelette. And I'll show you just how to do that. So, crack your 2 eggs into the jug. Add a splash of milk. That's enough. Next, just a good drop to suit your taste. Paprika and a good dash of onion salt. This is not a big omelette, so take yourself. So then we just whisk that. Whisk, make sure it's all mixed in nicely. And now you're going to add some hard cheese. Now use Parmesan if you have it, but any hard cheese will do. And just grate it as much as you like. It's entirely up to you. If you like cheese, more cheesy, use more. You can see a certain amount I'm putting in there. I wouldn't put too much in, because it might just overwhelm your omelette. But that's probably enough. And again, give that a whisk, just to get all that cheese in there. Okay, so now you need a generous dollop of butter. And a omelette pan if you have one, or a small frying pan, normal heat, or a larger ring on medium heat, and just melt the butter. Before adding your omelette mix. Just give that a few minutes. Okay, so now that your butter's melted and beginning to bubble, pour in your mix. And just roll it in from the edges. Gently cook. There's no rush with this job. You can move it about a lot if you wish. But just give it a moment or two for the bottom to cook, and you can then just tilt the mix around a little, and then put it in from the edges again. Just make sure that you're pulling the edges in. Tilt again, try and get it evenly round, nicely rounded edges so that all the mix gets cooked all the way around. You can see that again, and then just pull the edges in. I do keep that on the heat just till it begins to cook through, the heat comes through from the bottom to the top. You can see that it's still a little, there's just still a bit of liquid there, and you just get rid of that by tilting it down, and then just shuffle it back into place. Now you need a fish slice for the next part. Just coax it in from the edge. I'm going to flip it over. You can see it's nicely cooked. Straighten that out a little bit. Now we'll cook that over. See that the heat is making sure that the inside is cooked. Make sure that all the liquid is cooked through, and then just flip it over the other side, finish it off. Turn off the heat now, or just the residual heat. Continue cooking that until you serve it. So finally, serve your omelette. Maybe add a little bit of tomato as a decoration. And there you have it, a simple omelette and very tasty omelette.